Hello mga kawawmat, in this video lesson, we will discuss and solve problems involving surface area of three-dimensional objects. So first, okay, so let us familiarize the formulas of the three-dimensional or the formula for surface area of three-dimensional objects. So first, the cube. Okay, so the formula for cube is 6s squared. So s is the side length. And for rectangular prism, we have 2 times the quantity of length times width plus length times height plus width times height. So again, yung L dyan, that will be the length, and W is the width, and H is the height. For cylinder, we have the surface area formula, 2 pi r times the quantity of r plus h. Minsan, ina-expand nila ito, no? Dinidistribute itong 2 pi r sa loob. Kaya pag mapapansin nyo, yung ibang ginagamit na formula is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. So, parehas lang yun, no? And next is for cone, we have the formula pi r times the quantity of r plus L. So yung L dito is the slant height, and yung h dito, if ever, no, may given sa problem na height, so that is the h, and r is the radius. Sphere, we have the formula 4 pi r squared. So again, yung r is the radius. Next, so yung may dalawang like for example, no, hemisphere lang yung binigay na problem, ibig sabihin half of the sphere. So if included yung base, okay, kapag included yung base, yung formula natin or is the surface area formula will be 3 pi r squared. Pero kapag hindi included, no, yung base, halimbawa curve lang, no, ito lang. Okay, so hemisphere curved surface only. Ito yung formula niya, 2 pi r squared. And for square pyramid, we will use this formula, s squared plus 2sl. So s is the side length of base. Minsan, pag may na-encounter kayo, yung ibang formula, ang S ay B. Okay, so baka makita nyo sa ibang formula, ginagamit nila B squared plus 2BL. So, okay lang po yun. Same lang din sila, no? Basta, ah, alam mo na yun ay the side length of base. And L is the slant height. Okay, kasi may isa rin tayong ginagamit na L, no? Yung sa length. So, kapag slant height, L din, no? Ang gagamitin. For the surface area of triangular pyramid, we have B, o yung B dyan is the area of the base plus 1 half times P, yung P is the perimeter of base, times L or the slant height. So ito yung mga symbol na ginagamit natin. So yung S, ginagamit natin as side length. L for length. Okay, may isa tayong ginagamit na L din for slant height. W for width, H for height, R for radius. Okay, capital letter B for area of the base, P is the perimeter of base, and pi. So gagamitin natin yung pi na equivalent sa 3.1416. Kasi kung 3.14 lang, medyo at least kapag apat yung decimal na gagamitin nyo, medyo lapit-lapit o dun sa pinaka-accurate na sagot. Okay, for problem number 1, Maria is wrapping a large balikbayan box for shipment. So the box measures 80 centimeter long, 50 centimeter wide, and 60 centimeters high. How much brown wrapping paper is needed to completely cover the box? So parang ganyan siya, no? Naka-label yung mga measures. Okay, so ano yung mga given natin? So yung length natin is 80 centimeters. Yung width is 50 centimeters. Ang height natin ay 60 centimeters. So anong gagamitin nating surface area formula? So 2 times the quantity of length times width plus length times height plus width times height. So first, we will find the three phase areas. Okay, una, multiply muna natin or in your calculator, pwede nyo idiretso, no? So, length times width, so that is 80 times 50, that's 4,000 square centimeters. Next is length times height, so that's 80 times 60, that is 4,800 square centimeters. And width times height, 50 times 60 is equal to 3,000 square centimeters. Then after that, add lang natin lahat yan, and that is 11,800 square centimeters. So ito lang yon yung nasa loob ng parenthesis natin. Then right after that, we will multiply 11,800 sa 2. So that is 23,600 square centimeters. So ibig sabihin, Maria needs 23,600 square centimeters of wrapping paper. Next problem, a Baguio wood carver scraps a cubic jewelry box from Benguet pine. So each side measures 15 centimeters. So what total surface area must be coated with varnish? So as you can see, no, parang kagayang ganyan, no, sa model na nakikita nyo. So lahat ng sides are equal. So ang given lang natin dyan is the side length, which is 15 centimeters. So, ano yung formula na gagamitin natin? 6s squared. So, ano lang natin, what is s? That is 15. So, 15 squared is equal to 225 square centimeters. Then, multiply it by 6. So, 6 times 225, that will be 1,350 square centimeters. So, take note that all six square faces must be coated. So, therefore, the box needs 1,350 square centimeters of varnish coating. Next, Cubao Bakery uses cylindrical cans of evaporated milk for leche plan. One can has a radius of 4 centimeters and a height of 10 centimeters. So how much tin sheet is needed? Okay, so including both lids. So parang ganyan, no? That will be the cylindrical can. So as you can see, mayroong label yung measurement natin. So ano yung mga given natin? So binigay yung radius, which is 4 centimeters. And height, which is 10 centimeters. And gagamitin natin, of course, for pi is 3.1416. So, what is the formula? So, this is a cylinder, no? The formula for cylinder is 2 pi r times the quantity of r plus h, or 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. So, pwedeng ito, pwede rin naman ito. So, in my presentation, ito yung ginamit kong formula. So, una, kinuha ko muna yung 2 pi r squared. That will be the top and bottom of this cylindrical can. So, 2 pi r squared. So, 2 pi times yung r natin or yung radius natin is 4 is equal to, so 4 squared is 16 times 2, that is 32 pi. And then yung curved surface, which is 2 pi RH. So, yung R, papalitan natin ng 4. Yung height is 10. So, 2 times 4 times 10, or 2 times 4 is 8 times 10, 80. And then, you include the pi. And after that, add lang natin. So, 32 pi plus 80 pi is equal to 112 pi square centimeters. So, pwede natin na ganito na lang yung answer. But since dito sa given natin, so we will use pi as 3.1416. So, multiply natin si 112 kay 3.1416. That is equivalent to 351.86 square centimeters. So, ibig sabihin, one can requires approximately 351.86 square centimeters of tin sheet. Okay, another problem. A sorbetes vendor serves ice cream. in a waffle cone sealed with a flat edible wafer disc. So the cone has a radius of 3 centimeters and a slant height of 10 centimeters. So find the total surface area of the sealed cone. So parang ganito. So as you can see, hindi open yung taas ng cone natin. Okay? Kasi nakalagay sealed. Okay. So what are the given? So ang radius natin is 3 centimeters. The slant height is 10 centimeters. Ito yon. And still, we will use the value of pi that's equivalent to 3.1416. So what is the formula again of cone? That is pi r squared plus pi r l. So kukunin muna natin yung circular wafer disc. Ito yun. Okay? So, that is pi r squared is equal to pi times 3 squared. So, yung r kasi natin is 3. So, since squared natin, 3 squared is 9 or 3 times 3 is 9. 9 pi squared centimeters. And then yung curved waffle surface, the pi RL or sa iba no, okay, dito di ko napalitan, this will be L, okay? So, sa ibang formula, ginagamit nila S. Okay? So, this pi RL is equal to, so yung R natin is 3, tapos yung L natin is 10. So, 3 times 10 is 30 pi square centimeters. So, add lang natin lahat. Okay? Baka may malito, no? So, ayusin lang natin. Gawin nating L yung S. Okay, so, add lang natin yung dalawa. So, that will be 9 pi plus 30 pi. So, 39 pi square centimeters. So, and then, i-multiply natin sa 39 kay 3.1416. And that is equivalent to 122.52 square centimeters. So, ibig sabihin, the sealed cone has a surface area of approximately 122.52 square centimeters. Next, it's about an an example of spear. Okay, an official basketball is used in an inter-barangay sports league in Barangay Batasan Hills. The spherical ball has a radius of 12 centimeters. How much synthetic leather covers the entire ball? So this is the visual representation of the spherical basketball ball. Okay, so this is the radius, 12 centimeters. So, ang given lang natin dyan is the radius is 12 centimeters and yung pi natin na 3.1416 na gagamitin. So, what is the formula again? The surface area formula of sphere. So, that is 4 pi r squared. So, compute lang natin. So, ang R natin is 4. Yung R natin is 12 rather. So, 12 squared, that is 144 square centimeters. And then, itong 144, multiply natin kay 4. So, that's 4 pi times 144 is 576 pi square centimeters. And then, multiply yung 576 kay pi na yung 3.1416. That is equivalent to 1,809.56 square centimeters. So, ibig sabihin, the basketball needs approximately 1,809.56 square centimeters of synthetic leather. Example of square pyramid. A Quiapo Crafts Shops sells glass paperweight shaped like square pyramid. So the square base has a side length of 10 centimeters and each triangular face has a slant height of 12 centimeters. So find the total glass surface area. So based dito sa picture no na nakikita nyo, that is the visual representation ng problem. So ang base side natin is 10 centimeters na ang ginagamit natin is letter S and the slant height L is 12 centimeters. So we will use the formula S squared plus 2SL. So yung S natin is 10 centimeters, yung L natin ay 12 centimeters. So kunin natin yung okay, find the square base. So S squared. So yung S natin is 10. Okay, based sa problem, the square base has a side length of 10. So 10. So 10 times 10 is 100 square centimeters. And find the four triangular faces. So kung 100 yan, no? So 2SL is equal to 2 times 10 times 12 is equal to 240 square centimeters. And then add, so 100 plus 240 is equal to 240 square centimeters. So take note that the base and all four glass faces are included. So the paper weight requires 340 square centimeters of glass. Next, a souvenir shop in Baguio crafts paperweight shaped like regular tetrahedrons. The card stock nets consist of four identical equilateral triangle. Each triangle has a base. Okay, each triangle has a base of 8 centimeters and a height of 6.93 centimeters. Find the total surface area. So ano yung mga given natin? Base is 8 centimeters. Triangle height is 6.93 centimeters. Number of triangular faces. So we have 4. So meron tayong apat na triangular faces. Okay, so the surface area formula, ang gagamitin natin dito is the area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. And then the surface area will be equals to 4 times 1/2 base times height. Actually, pwede rin to. 2BH na lang, no? Kasi ito, ma-cancel naman to eh. So, isa-isahin natin. Find the area of a one triangular face. So, kumbaga ito lang muna is kukompute natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, yung base natin is 8, yung 6.93 yan ay yung triangular height. So, kapag minultiply natin to, that will be 4 times 6. So, ang sagot natin ay 27.72 square centimeters. Multiply the four faces. Okay, multiply by the four faces. So 4 times 27.72, the answer is 110.88 square centimeters. So all four identical triangular faces are included. So therefore, so the paperweight has a total surface area of 110.88 square centimeters. Next, an event organizer in Makati is ordering glass trophies shaped like square pyramids. The net consists of a square base with a side length of 12 centimeters and four identical each each with a slant height of 15 centimeters. So find the total surface area. So the base side is 12 centimeters. The slant height is 15 centimeters. So we will use the formula for the total surface area formula is S squared plus 2SL. So substitute lang natin yan dito. So we have uh, yung S natin is 12 or the base side. So 12 squared, that is 144 plus 2 times 12 plus 15. So yung 12 na yan, that will be the base side. And yung 15 is the slant height. 2 times 12 is 24 times 15, 360. So add lang natin sila. So 504 square centimeters. So one trophy requires 504 square centimeters of glass. Next, a Quezon City Science Museum displays a dome-shaped model made from a solid hemisphere. The model has a radius of 14 centimeters. If both the curved surface and the flat circular base will be painted, what is the total surface area? So, the radius will be 14 centimeters. Ibig sabihin, ano to, no? close figure ito. Hindi sa open, no? So the circular base is included. So if the circular base is included, we will use the formula 3 pi r squared or the total surface area formula. So we will substitute since yung ano natin is yung pi natin you can use naman no yung pi natin is 3.1416 no. You can use that. Okay, pwede nyo i-double check no. Dito naman, binigyan kayo ng ibang approach ng paggamit ng pi. So, as ah, basta sobrang lapit nyo dun sa final answer or dun sa nakuha natin sagot, okay lang yan, no? So, depende sa teacher nyo kung paano present yung paggamit ng pi. Kasi kapag gamit yung calculator, pwede nyo na i-direct, no? Yung pag-compute using your calculator. But using the 22 over 7, so 3 times 22 over 7 times 196. So yung 196 ay galing sa 14 squared. Okay, so yung 3 times ito, yung 22 over 7 times 196 is 616. If you multiply 616 times 3, that is 1,848 square centimeters.